Turn up. Hertz tone. That's why it's so ear-piercing.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for South Central Orleans Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, northeastern Elton Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 11:15 a.m. Central Standard Time. At 10:13 a.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Oakdale, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakdale, Glenmore, Turkey Creek, Beaver, Forest Hill, and McNary. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room or